Hello students, in the last video you were introduced about the general physical properties of p-block elements of group 16. In this video we will study about their chemical properties. So welcome all, myself Liza Nagpal, chemistry lecturer in Meritorious School Patiala. So what are group 16 elements? In group 16 there is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So first chemical property is reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. So all these elements when react with hydrogen form their hydrides. What are these hydrides? These are H2O, H2S, H2Se, H2Te, H2PO. These are called hydrides of group 16 elements. Much of the questions arises from this topic, like acidic character of these hydrides. So what do you mean by acidic character? Acidic character means tendency to lose H positive ions easily. As you all familiar with the atomic size variation, as we all know, atomic size increases down the group. Atomic size increases down the group. Therefore, bond length increases. Hence, bond strength decreases. If bond strength decreases, that means H positive ion will be released easily. Got it? So, on going down the group, central atom size increases. So what is the order? Order of acidic character is H2PO. It is here polonium is radioactive. So its half-life period is very small. Therefore, we cannot take this in order. So, order of acidic character is H2 tellurium, H2Se, H2S and H2O. Because size of the tellurium is higher among all others. Clear? This is the one chemical property that is reaction with hydrogen. Another question arises: variation of bond angle in the group 16 hydrides. Group 16 hydrides. So बॉन्ड एंगल, हमें पता है कि ऑक्सीजन जो है अपने ग्रुप में सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट है. सो ऑक्सीजन के साथ अगर 2 हाइड्रोजन्स लगे हैं, वी नो अबाउट इट्स स्ट्रक्चर. It has 2 lone pair of electrons and 2 bond pairs with the hydrogen atom. Because of the small size of oxygen, there arises some repulsions between the lone pair and lone pair bond pair. So lone pair and bond pair adjusted itself to an angle. What is the angle between the water molecule? That is 104.5 degree. Clear? But as we move down the group, central element increases its size. If central element increases its size, then this is sulfur's atom. Here lone pair gets much space to diffuse. Hence bond pair, lone pair repulsions, lone pair repulsions decreases, but lone pair bond pair repulsion increases. Therefore these bond pair electrons shifted towards, and we get like this, and bond angle decreases to 92 degree. Similarly, as we move down the group, atomic size increases and diffusion of lone pair increases. Hence we get angles like this: H2O, H2S, H2Se and H2Te. 104.5 degree, 92 degree, 91 degree and 90 degree. Clear? This is all about reaction with hydrogen. You have to do only this much. from reaction with hydrogen. So next reaction we will have reaction with oxygen. In this case we will study that how elements of group 16 elements, that is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, reacts with oxygen. All these elements react with oxygen to give oxides. When oxygen reacts with oxygen, only we will have O3, that is ozone, which you were studied. Next, when sulfur reacts with oxygen, it gives SO2, SO3. Similarly, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Clear? So here question arises. What is the oxidation state of SO2 and SO3, and which one of these act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent? Clear?